Hi guys, my name is Nikki and I've been a photographer for about 7 years now. I shoot mostly portraits, food, some product photography, and I've been shooting for some magazines such as Rogue, MHM, some cookbooks, and recently I just did a product shoot for a mobile company. Now enough about me. Let me teach you the things I think are important as I grew up in the world of photography. Alright. Ayun. Thank you guys, and I hope you learned a thing or two from the time we spent together. Quick plug, you can follow me on Instagram at Nikki Shoots Things, and you can also ask me anything via DM. Oh, before you all leave, thank you for sending your photos for my small photo contest, and I'm now going to announce the lucky 3 winners. Can I call out a Nathan, Joey, and a Karen? Congratulations! You guys are going to join me for a demo shoot in my home studio. So see me after this. Thank you! Hey guys, I got to say, you have something. The photos you sent me were really interesting.
Why, thank you. It's all thanks to my 35mm f1.4 lens and my handy Canon 7D. Not really the greatest camera I've used. Let me tell you about the
Shut up, man! Your camera stuff may be top of the line, but your old gears, no skill. The secret to a great photo is the model, especially when they go nude and shit.
Yes. Okay, let's take a photo with the winners.
What kind of body is that? I haven't seen that before.
Those are funny sunglasses. Is this some sort of waggish? is going on?
No swearing in my studio! No swearing in my studio. Okay. The vibe here is getting awkward. Let's play a game. Now, all you have to do is truthfully tell me about your photos, the one you sent. Every time you tell a lie, I'll press the button of this trigger. Do know that this is powered to the fullest. So when I press it, it's basically a flashbang really close to your eyes that may, I don't know, blind you forever. Alright then, let's proceed. Let's start with Nathan.
No! Get me out of here, please!
So Nathan, tell me about your photo.
Well, it's a photo of me and my gears. The photo shows that with the best gears, their shot is guaranteed. And if you're using just cheap body and kit lens, you're nothing but a cheap use.
What is wrong with you?
Next up, Joey.
What? What? No! Please, no!
Joey, tell me about your photo.
So, my photo includes a nude model. Anything sexy is sure to garner attention, so I entered.
Why? What did they do? They're just students. Let me tell you something, kid. Nathan was a gear freak. Every day he would post photos of his extensive armory of camera gear. Now there's nothing wrong with having a collection of these. What's wrong is when he brags about them. Boy even gave himself the title above all photographers. Ironic that despite all his expensive gears, he hasn't taken any good photos except flat lays of himself and his stuff. Yet he calls out other photographers for having shit photos based on the gear they use. Oh, and he's also known for breaking cameras of newbies and waste all those kit lenses. Now here we have Joey, always showing off his extensive photo library of sexy models. Again, there's nothing wrong with shooting sexy or nude, but Joey here, he's actually a serial rapist. The photos he constantly shares, they're all victims. All of them. The reason why nobody has called him out is because of his big reputation in the community. God. People like these are what makes the photography community so toxic. Gear braggers, sexual predators. There's shit ton more out there, but
With these two out of the picture, at least some justice was served.
What about me? What did I do?
You are a very fascinating subject, but I couldn't read you at all. As soon as I saw you, I couldn't resist taking you along with me. It's like love at first sight. Karen, please stay with me. You are a rare sight of purity and I could teach you a lot of things. Just please be mine, please.